G'day Australia, I'm Korum E, and today I'm at my Audiocom store in Balcatta to show you what I'm calling the Rogue Daddy mobile phone booster pack. Here it is, a really sleek little system which I'll tell you about now. This is a nice little low cost rig, and before I tell you all about that, I will tell you quickly about the CelFi mobile phone booster. Now this is mostly the mobile phone booster we do in our stores for a lot of our regional clients, which gives you a fully active it's a mobile repeater built into your car, which is the best way to boost your phone signal when in remote areas. However, that pack is about $12.90 installed. What I have here, the Rogue Daddy pack, is a sweet little low-cost option, which might be all you need to get access to the mobile network. Now, if your dad's anything like mine and is rogue out there somewhere semi-off-grid and has barely any access to the mobile network, they might need a little bit of a boost to stay in contact and in communication. So what we've got is a very smart little use-anywhere, low-cost magnetic antenna. This thing will just magnet on to any metal surface. You can use it in a car, a dozer, plant equipment. You just magnet it onto a piece of your house, and then run this cable, which is a few meters long, through into wherever you're using the mobile handset, and then it clips into this universal phone holder, which has a connection for external antenna. So any modern smartphone will clunk into this, and via a system called a passive array, which is inside that little phone holder itself, it will take the extra signal that the antenna has collected, beam it down, and passively inject it into the phone. Similarly, when the phone retransmits its signal out, it's connecting via that passive array and through the antenna for a much higher boost and connection to the mobile network. It will give you a couple of decibels of boost on a signal meter on the phone. So that will help you gain a little bit of connection in remote areas. Send a pack out to your rogue dad if that helps you stay in contact, or it might be something you can use when you're working on a piece of plant equipment, or just to have a bit better access to the mobile network when you're out camping or traveling in general. Now, if that pack doesn't do it for you and it doesn't give you the access to the mobile network you need because you're in deeper fringe areas, or you need a stronger, better, faster connection again, your next step up is the CelFi mobile phone booster for Optus, Telstra, Vodafone. We got the works. We can build up a pack for you with heaps of different antennas, right? So we've got good little micro antennas which are good for sedans. We've got on-glass antennas which go nicely on sedans. We've got bigger, heavy-duty Black Hawk antennas for four-wheel drives to bolt on. They're quite heavy-duty, so you need to bolt them onto a big bracket like on the bull bar. We've got the big GMA antennas, and coming very, very shortly are the new Oricom mobile phone antenna, which should be the best of the bunch out there on the network. So we'll have anything and everything you need if you get in contact with us to build up a mobile phone booster system. But for a good, low-cost, quick and fast solution, the Rogue Daddy pack will get you there. Check it out online. There should be a link below. Thank you again for watching. We love our audience. We love helping you out with new information and new packs and new products. If you need anything, get in touch with us and we'll put something together for you. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and see you again soon.